Hi, stick to the end of this video if you want to watch how to add extracted sounds on CapCut if you don't have CapCut Pro and still export. Happy viewing!
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
So you want to open extracted your gallery, pick the audio and basically put it. So as you can see, the audio is there, guys. The audio is there, but if you try to export it, it's gonna come up and say you gotta pay, you gotta pay. We're not paying that, okay? Now let me show you what to do. What you're gonna do is to remove the sound, actually, okay? You delete it and go to sounds. Go on the sounds and go to where it says extracted audios. And when you go there, you're gonna see the same extracted audios there that you put. You click on it, and once you click on it, guys, it's for free. It is for free now. You can literally export it without any problem. I'm telling y'all, as you can see. I hope this video was very useful to you, and if this is your kind of vibe, make sure to stick around, okay? Hi, I'm Wendy and I'm a creative. Welcome to this channel again, and I'm really excited to see you around next time. Bye bye.